So hello students, this is from Gomadi Math channel for class 10 CBSE syllabus. Chapter 1 real numbers. NCERT exercise 1.1 வந்து syllabus இல்லை. So exercise 1.2 we are going to see. Before that, what is meant by irrational number? You know already. A number which cannot be expressed in the form p by q, where q not equal to 0, p and q are integers, is called irrational number. You know the example root 2, root 5, all these are irrational number. And already in 9th standard you know this formula HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. So using that, before that we are doing express each number as a product of its prime factors. So prime factors means in the answer we have only 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. So consider the first one, 140 you are dividing by 2. So 7 2s are 14. So some numbers are in this way. இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் easily you can do. For this 19, 17, 23. So when you take and write the answer equal to 17 into 19 into 23. So you know LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So find the LCM and HCF of the following integers and verify LCM into HCF equal to this. So 26 means here 13. When you take 7 table, 1 time balance to 13. So 26 equal to 2 into 13. 91 equal to 7 into 13. So 13 is common. Therefore HCF equal to 13 and LCM equal to HCF into and the remaining terms. Yeah. So equal to 13 into 2 into 7. Numbers. Product of 3, 6, 6. And now multiply HCF into LCM. So that is equal to 13 into 182. That also 2366. So from 1, hence the proof. Now question number subdivision 2, 510 So 510 and 92 common வந்து 2. Therefore HCF equal to 2. Then what is LCM? HCF into remaining terms. HCF is 2. Then remaining terms 3 into 2, 5 into 23 into 17. So when you multiply here you are getting 469 2 0. Sorry. So 2 3 4 6 0 இதில் பாதி ஏன்னா இந்த HCF 2ல் இருக்குது அது போக இந்த பேலன்ஸ் இது பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ HCFையும் LCM you multiply you get this one. So 2 3 HCF is 2 into LCM 2 3 4 6 0 equal to 4 6 9 2 0. Now product of two numbers. Product of 92. So 4 6 9 2 0. Therefore LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Now next one 336 and 54. 336 and 54. 3 cube Now 336 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4, 3 into 7. So first to find HCF. HCF equal to lowest power, common power வர 3 power 1. இங்கே வந்து 3 ஸ்கொயர், அப்போ 3 மட்டும். ஸோ இங்கே கூட நீ என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா 3 into 3 ஸ்கொயர்னு எழுதிக்க. கொஞ்சம் கன்வீனியண்ட்டாக இந்த 3 காமன். Now LCM equal to remaining. HCF into remaining terms. So that is equal to HCF 3. Remaining என்ன இதில் இது கூட இருக்கு இல்லையா, இங்கே ஒரு 2 இருக்குது. ஸோ ஹியர் 2. அப்போ இங்கே 2 cube. ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி யூ ஹவ் ரிட்டன் இன்ட்டு 2 இன்ட்டு ரிமைனிங் டேர்ம்ஸ் என்ன இருக்குது, இங்கே இதில் வந்து 2வும் இங்கே 2 க்யூப்னு வச்சுட்டு இந்த இடத்துல 2 போட்டுக்கணும். 2 2 இது ஜஸ்ட் நம்ம கன்வீனியன்ட் தான். யூ கேன் ரைட் இன் எனி வே. 3 0 2 4. இங்கே HCF வந்து 6. Now product of 4 4. So HCF into LCM equal to 6 into 3 0 2 4. So 6 4s are 24, balance 2 12, 14, balance 1, 6 0 0 0 6 3s are 18. So mark this as 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, hence the result.